Have you ever looked at an old bottle, a piece of wood, a button, or a few pebbles and thought they were useless? Most people do, but creative people see something different. They see possibilities. Crafting is more than just a hobby, it's a way to express yourself, reduce waste, improve your mental health, and create beautiful things from materials and might oversize otherwise be thrown away. Today, let's explore the amazing benefits of crafting, recycling, and transforming old items into something new and useful. When we create crafts from recycled materials, we give a second life to objects that might end up in landfills. Old glass bottles can become beautiful vases, tree branches can become rustic home decor, wall decor, and many more things. You can watch in this video, you can watch in my videos. Pebbles can turn into stunning artwork. I'm talking about pebbles. Buttons, jute, cardboard, and wood scraps can all become unique decorative pieces. This simple act of reusing materials helps reduce waste. It can definitely protect the environment. Every item we recycle means one less item polluting our planet. You know what I mean? Every item we recycle means one less items polluting our planet. Small actions may seem insignificant, but when millions of people choose to recycle and reuse, the positive impact becomes enormous. Crafting is also wonderful for the mind in today's fast-paced world. Stress and anxiety affect people of all ages. Spending times on creative activities helps the brain relax and focus on the present moment. When you paint, glue, cut, arrange, and design something, your attention shifts away from the worries and distractions. So it would be really nice things. So many people describe crafting as a form of meditation. It creates a scene of calm and satisfaction. The process encourages patience, concentration, and mindfulness. Even just a few minutes of creative work each day can help reduce the stress level and improve mood. Another benefits of crafting is that it stimulates creativity. Creativity Creativity is not something only artists possess. It is a skill that everyone can develop. When you work with recycled materials, you often need to think differently and solve problems creatively. For example, how can an old bottle become a decorative lamp? How can a broken piece of wood become wall art? These questions encourages innovative thinking. Over time, creative problem solving skills can become useful as many areas of life. Including school work and personal projects. They should be teach this type of things. Crafting can also improve self-confidence. There are something special about creating an object with your own hands. Seeing a finished project give a sense of accomplishment and pride. It reminds us that we are capable of learning new skills and achieving goals. Even simple projects can boost confidence. Every completed craft is proof that creativity and effort can produce something meaningful and beautiful. Crafting is beneficial for physical health as well. Many craft activities improve that eye coordination and fine motor skills. Cutting, painting, weaving, gluing, and arranging materials require precise movements that help keep the hands and fingers active. For children, crafting supports skill, development, and learning. For adults and older individuals, it helps maintain anxiety and coordination. Crafting is also creates opportunities for quality family time. Parents and children can work together on creative projects. Friends can share ideas and learn new techniques. These moments strengthen relationships and create lasting memories. Unlikely many activities that rely heavily on screens, crafting encourages face to face interaction and collaboration. It brings people together through shared creativity and imagination. Another important benefit is affordability. Many people, many craft projects use materials that are already available at home. Instead of purchasing expensive decorations, people can create personalized items using recycled materials. Old jars can become candle holders. Scrap wood can become decorative signs. Pebbles can become picture frames or wall art. These handmade creations often have more characters and meaning than mass produced production. Turning old things into new things also teaches valuable lessons about sustainability. It encourages people to think carefully before throwing something away. Sometimes an object only needs a little creativity to become useful again. This mindset helps reduce unnecessary consumption and promote a more responsible lifestyle. It reminds us that value can often be found in an unexpected place. Crafting can even become a source of income. Many people start crafting as a hobby and later turn their Many people start crafting as a hobby and later turn their creations into small business. Handmade home decor, recycled art, personalized gift, and decorative accessories are popular in online marketplace and local craft fair. By developing skills and creating unique products, crafters can transform their passion into an opportunity for entrepreneurship. Perhaps one of the greatest benefits of crafting is the joy of brings. Creativity allows us to express our personality, ideas, and emotions. Every handmade piece tells a story. Every project reflects the imagination of its creator. Whether you are decorating your home, crafting gifts, recycling old materials, or simply enjoying a relaxing hobby, crafting others count effort countless reward. So the next time you see an old bottle, a piece of wood, a handful of pebbles, or a collection of buttons, don't see as a waste. See opportunity. See creativity. See the potential for something beautiful. Remember one thing, crafting is not just about making things. It is about protecting environment. Crafting is not just about making things. It is about protecting the environment.